Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Backyard Garage. So today we are actually going to be painting the rear bumper here. I have it all set up and ready to go. As you saw in my previous video, is what ended up happening is I had some Duplicolor single stage paint, and when I sprayed it with my UV urethane base primer, it ended up peeling, as you see here. And I went ahead and I did some research, and I think I figured out how to fix it. So I think is what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a 2K primer dash sealer, which should seal that paint, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then hopefully when I spray with the urethane based paint, it shouldn't peel up like that. So let me show you what I got going on. So I went out and bought some of this. It's this Nasson. It's the 2K Select Prime. It's a sealer and it's a primer. It's black. So on the bumper here, I did everything like I did previously and got it all sanded down and scuffed up, ready to go. And then is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that sealer on. I'll let it set for an hour. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray it with that urethane base paint. And hopefully it shouldn't peel or shouldn't do what you just saw previously. So let me get my paint mixed up and we will go from there. Alrighty, so I have the 2K sealer primer on here, and if you look, it is not bubbling, which is pretty amazing. I'm pretty happy about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this right here set for about, I don't know, about an hour, I would say. And then after it's set for an hour, I'm gonna come in and then I am going to, I'm gonna go ahead and blast it with some color. So this is what it's looking like. Not too shabby, can't complain. Okay, I just saw that. I thought that was an imperfection in the metal, or just that's an imperfection in the metal, but you got that rubber strip that goes there. Oh man, you know what I do? I have a little bit of paint peel right here on this corner. So I guess before I can do anything, I need to take care of that. I'm not gonna sand the whole bumper down to take care of that. Here's what I'm gonna do. Since it's just this little teeny spot right here, let me look up under here. Yeah, okay. So since it's just this little teeny spot, it's gonna be covered by that bumper guard thing right there. So I might not even screw with that, to be honest with you. After this dries, maybe I'll scrape it off and see what's going on. The good thing is this is aluminum, it's not steel. It won't rust. So I don't think I'm gonna do anything with that. We'll see, but just kind of documenting everything. But if you look here, it's not bubbling up like it was. Thank goodness. So let me let this dry and I'll be back. Alrighty, and here we go. I got the bumper all sprayed in, and it is looking really, really nice. And then, here's the back. So, like I said, the only huge major flaw is right here. That little paint peel. Not worried about it. Not going to do anything about it. The rubber strip, like I said, will be covering that up. So, that's good to go. So, paint correction. If you're going to be spraying something, get yourself a really decent 2K primer or sealer. It's going to help seal any old paint, and then you can spray it. I imagine is what happened here is I don't know. No clue. But something happened there with a reaction. The way that you would fix this is you would actually take a piece of 80 grit sandpaper, sand it down, and then feather it out and then reseal it. However, since it's going to be hidden, I'm just going to keep it. It's not like it's a big deal. It's an aluminum bumper, so I'm not worried about it rusting. So there we go. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. That is how you paint a bumper. If you're not sure of what type of paint you have on it, or if you're not sure of the if the two types of paints that you're using will mix, put a primer sealer on it, like I keep saying, and that will help you out a lot. So really appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you could, drop a comment down below, and if you could also hit the thumbs up button, that helps me a lot, get more views. And then yeah, we'll see you on my next video. I'm planning on putting the bumpers on. I will be putting this on. I checked, and it's looking like May is the soonest that I can get that bumper cover. So I'm going to probably get that ordered, and then hopefully it'll be here in May. So, but anyway, thanks for watching again. See ya. Peace.